Hello, hi Anima. How are you?
Hello. Yeah, I'm great. What about you? Thank you for asking.
I'm also good. Thank you so much for asking, and thank you so much for joining me today. And I'm meeting you for the very first time, and I would like to know something about you. Can you tell me something about you?
Yeah, sure. You give me the opportunity. Really, I tell you something about myself. So, my name is Anima. I'm from Pune, Maharashtra, and I'm a homemaker. I bless with a baby boy. And if I talk about my education, so I've completed my master in computer application. That's it about me. And what
Okay.
about you?
Okay. Yes, definitely. I will. I'm here to tell you about me. So I'm Meenakshi, and currently I'm residing in Uttarakhand, as well as I'm pursuing my master's degree in English literature. I'm a homemaker too. I have a son as well. He's just 4 years old right now. And apart from this, if I talk about my hobbies, so nowadays I have escaped myself into reading books, as well as I love spending my leisure time with my son. So this is something about me. Yes. Okay,
Oh,
so
that's great.
please.
I think so. We both are in same boat.
Yes, you can say. Okay, all right. So you have done your master's in what did you say?
Computer
Computer
application.
science?
Yes, computer application. Yeah.
Okay. So after that, did you work somewhere or you are just managing your household work?
No, I'm not work anywhere. Yeah, I work 1 month or 2 month maybe. After that, I resign for because of my son.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So nowadays I'm totally homemaker and I just organize my home, managing everything. That's thing.
Okay. So what is your channel name?
My channel name is Let's Learn Together.
Okay. I have seen so many videos of yours, but earlier I
Yes,
think earlier
yes.
because at that time you had been connecting with so many co-learners, I think so.
Correct.
Okay, so at that time I was not conversing with some anyone, and right now as I have started, so when I got your email, and I could see there were earlier email as well from 22 and 23,
Yes,
so
yes,
then I recognized,
yes.
yes.
Yes,
Okay.
earlier days I did practice every day like a video session. But
Mm-hmm.
again, I just stopped for one year. After again restart my journey. I will restart my journey again.
Mm-hmm. So
So what
why?
about you? I think so. You also took a break in between.
Yes.
So what was the reason?
Okay, so 2 years back I started my YouTube channel, as well as I was practicing, and same like you. Initially, I was also so consistent on my YouTube as well as my learning, and
Mhm,
one of these 2 years I have worked, and eight uh, 8 to 9 hours I was dedicating to my office job. And
mhm,
although I was getting some time over there as well to learn something, but the environment or something, whatever was that, actually that didn't work for me to learn something. And after coming home, it was difficult to manage multiple tasks like
mhm, mhm,
helping my son with homework and something household work, so I was unable to be consistent actually. Someday I was
mhm,
practicing, but other day I was just skipping. And as a
mhm,
learner, I feel that we need to have that connection on daily basis to learn this language. At
mhm. It's very
only after
important.
that, yes, only after that we feel confident to speak in English. Okay, so this was with me. Okay, so
Okay.
why did you take the break?
In my case, I just spending time with my son. That's the reason I just took break in between.
Mm-hmm.
Because when I use too much phone, so he just copy me, and he also start doing. So that's the reason I just stopped doing anything for my practice. But now I just put him in a school, so he goes to school, so I'm totally free in that time. So I utilize my time in between.
Okay, so which grade does he study?
He is LKG. He's in
LKG.
LKG
Okay, my son is also in LKG.
because both are in the same age.
Mm-hmm.
He's also in
Okay.
4 years.
Okay, all right. So yes, I can completely like resonate with the situation, whatever you are, I think, facing,
Hmm.
because it's quite challenging at that
Yes.
moment when your children or child is so small.
Details.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So please tell me something like which kind of activity or ways you are following to improve your English.
So nowadays I'm consistent, and I do lots of things for improving myself, and I saw the result in myself also because I improve day by day. So I inculcate the habit of reading also, writing also, and speaking as well as listening also. I Nowadays I do all these things.
Okay, so you have been doing this thing nowadays. How long
Yes.
it has been to you, like doing these things?
Okay. I already told you I have been studying my language last year maybe,
Mm-hmm.
and but I took a break. Again, I restart my journey in last month. So last month to till now, I just maintain my consistency.
Okay, and you could see the changes in you,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So which kind of videos are you following to listen and adapt?
Depending on the situation and depending on my mood, sometime I watch a podcast, sometime I watch a conversation video also,
Mm-hmm.
sometime like a Sunita Rawat,
Mm-hmm.
depending on the situation and depending on the mood. So,
Okay.
what about you? Which type of video you prefer to watch?
Hmm. See, to be very honest, nowadays I'm not watching so many videos, but earlier I used to watch because
Mhm,
I feel that after watching any video, you need to do the same practice, whatever they are saying, okay, whatever you are
mhm,
listening. But apart from this, as I told you that nowadays I have escaped myself into reading books as well
mhm,
as I try to inculcate those words, whatever
mhm,
I am learning in uh, books. And apart from this, like what I do, I try to read from ChatGPT. Like I give prompt to ChatGPT,
mhm.
like this. Give me five words and make a paragraph through this
Photograph.
word. So in this way, I'm practicing.
Yeah, I also do the same. Sometimes I don't get a partner, na, so just I talk with ChatGPT. Sometimes I
Mhm.
uh, give to him we talk like on any topic like this, and we discuss like this.
Yes. And I feel that we can do that thing because, there are so many learners. I think they really don't have partners, or
Yes. Mhm.
sometimes they are unable to connect with co-learners as well.
Co-learners,
Okay. So,
because of time management. Sometimes your
yes.
time is different, my time is different, so it is very difficult to connect with co-learners.
Yes. And another thing is that there are so many people who are not able to afford those kind of courses as well. And for them,
Mhm.
I would suggest that ChatGPT is the best. I think ChatGPT is free of cost, best if they can utilize it actually in a quite good manner, so they can really adapt something from them, right?
Yes, I add one more point ki, you just practice with your time whenever you're free.
Yes. Okay, all right. So you told me that you worked for 1 month. Okay. So what kind of work did you do?
Okay, so earlier days I work in Flipkart. Do you know Flipkart?
Yes, I know.
So yes, so I work for 1 and 2 month in
Mm-hmm.
chat process.
Mm-hmm. Job process. Okay. So was it
Yes,
work from home?
yes, it was work from home that time.
Okay, as
After
a
that, they calling from office, so that's the reason I just deny and I just resign.
Okay. So if we are like physically sitting somewhere in office, so that time it's uh still it is like easy, I think, to because we can avoid the things. We can avoid that what ever happening at home. Okay. But if we are working from home, so everything is around us. Like
Uh,
sometimes there is some work which needs to be done. So a lot of thing I think
I
disturb at home.
Yes, I think so. Work from home is too much disturbance in my
Hmm.
point of view because we handle lots of things in a time. But when we go office or when we go outside for doing work, so it is quite easy for us
Hmm.
because we are focusing on one thing.
Agree, agree. So many times right now, my son is in the school, but nowadays, whenever I'm connecting with my co-learners, and if I'm choosing that time, just because of mutual schedule, if I'm choosing if I do the conversation after 2 p.m., he will definitely come in between of my meeting, and he will just say hi to everyone.
Yes, yes,
He is
yes.
doing every like this. Okay.
I
Mm.
also face the same issue. That's the reason I just schedule this time 10 to 12 or sometime 9 to 12. I'm totally
Yes.
free
Yes,
for
I
doing
also.
conversation.
I think this is the main reason because of it, we both were unable to connect. Okay. Like since so long, we are trying to connect, but today,
Unfortunately, we connect.
fortunately, we connected. Okay. So, how many conversational videos have you posted till now?
Maybe 100 plus.
Okay. 100 plus, all are conversational videos.
Yes, all are some in like a short video, but
Mm-hmm.
mostly 100% is a conversation video.
Okay. I think you started your channel with conversational videos.
Yes,
Only,
yes.
okay. Okay, all right. So, what kind of feeling after doing so many conversational videos in terms of confidence?
Yes, it is very necessary when we do the conversation video like in video session. So really
Mm-hmm.
it's helped too much because earlier days I was more confident as compared to now because nowadays I'm not doing conversation video like in face to face. Yeah, I do like a audio session, but that's the reason I just restart my journey again in video session
Mm-hmm.
because it's work too much.
Hmm.
Earlier days I was too much confidence. I don't feel any hesitation if I want to talk anyone. It's no matter it's how old they are and it means how much age difference is there.
Mm-hmm.
But nowadays I feel I shock